I'm happy with the good work you're doing for fighting the impunity in the judiciary. My name is Orego. I'm an advocate based in Kisumu. I also have an issue with Justice Nyagaka. To be precise, my clients have an issue with him. There's a land case we are doing in Homa Bay High Court, Homa Bay ELC Court rather. My client sued the Honorable Attorney General and the Land Registrar, Rachwanyo. And there was no appearance nor defense filed by the defendants. And then another party filed an application to be allowed to be enjoined as a third defendant. We did submissions, we opposed the application. Nevertheless, the judge allowed that application to worsen the matter with the costs. That the plaintiff was now saddled with the costs. Like the court was now blaming him for not suing the intended third defendant. There was a problem even during the hearing of this application. The judge was always very strict on timelines. He could give us strict timelines like 7 days, 14 days. He had a specific font size, font style. Now, the firm of Behan and Okero, where the former LSK president is a partner, Mr. Charles Okero, they were acting for the intended third party. Now we suspected some allies. They were the applicant in the application to enjoin the intended third defendant. They were told to file their submissions within 7 days. Then we were to respond after that. We were shocked that they didn't file submissions. And when it was now 77 days late, 77 days, which was within 7 days to the date of ruling, that is when they filed their submissions. And the court, this thing at the CTS, they even stamped, that law firm has got a procedure or a practice of stamping the document with the date when they are filing. It was filed 77 days out of time. We did a letter of protest to the judge, pointing to the fact that the applicant had filed his submissions 77 days out of time, and the court was so strict on timelines. The letter I've shared with you here. We are shocked that the judge did not even comment on this letter, and we asked him just to expunge the submissions out of time, or just not rely on them at all. But the judge didn't even comment on our letter. Even though he relied on those submissions, we at least expected him to make a comment that he saw our letter, he saw the submissions filed out of time, but because of his power, he has allowed them nevertheless. The judge didn't even comment. He delivered a ruling, allowed this intended third defendant into the proceedings, and allowed the application with the costs. Now my client got wind that somehow the third defendant had paid him 500,000. We have no evidence to this, but based on the conduct of this judge, our suspicion can be confirmed. Our client's suspicion, rather. My client did a letter to the JSC, and the same speaks for itself. I've shared the same with you on your WhatsApp. The JSC received the letter. A text message was sent to my client notifying that they received the letter and the file was opened back in July. To date, nothing has happened. The judge is still operating as usual. We are even coming before him on Tuesday this week, that is on 23rd of September. And we ask him to recuse himself in this matter because he's partisan. And we wish that this can also be done in public for the judge to be exposed. Thank you so much.